I'm going to make a cup of tea. Is there anything you'd like, my dear?
Oh, I'd love some of the ice cream I bought yesterday. Write it down. You know how you're always forgetting things. Write it down. You know you keep forgetting things.
I can remember ice cream, goodness me.
But I also want some strawberries on my ice cream. Write it down.
Strawberries and ice cream, not too difficult.
I'd like some whipped cream on the strawberries. Write it down.
I can remember whipped cream and ice cream and strawberries, no problem.
Oh, and could I have some sprinkles on as well?
Now sprinkles. OK, I'll be back in 5 minutes with your strawberries, your ice cream, your cream and your sprinkles, for heaven's sake.
I bet he's forgotten. Time's getting on. He has forgotten.
Here you are, my dear, just as you asked me for.
But you've forgotten the tomato ketchup.